Okay, so again, I've got my video camera guy now. So I've got all my neck stitches here on this spare thread, the 36 stitches that are in front of the sweater here. Now we're just going to cast on 10 stitches for the neck steek, just like we did for the underarm steek. Here's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so then what we're going to do is break off, since we're using these two colors in this round, and we need this color to complete the round. What we're going to do, like we did the last time, is break this off. Then we're going to continue to knit the round. We're going to place a marker here and then continue to knit the round in pattern. So we're going to start the next 12 stitches in the 12 stitch repeat in the current round, and we keep continuing that repeat until we come back to the underarm steek stitches and knit those in checkerboard pattern and continue knitting in pattern all the way to the top of the chart, and that will be the finish of the body of the sweater. Okay, so I just wanted to show you what it looks like. This is pretty much what your sweater should look like if you followed the pattern. You continued in after you did yours, you casted on your neck steek stitches. You continued around in pattern for round 57, and when you got to your underarm gusset stitches, you continued in the checkerboard pattern. You go all the way around until you get to the next round. This is my new round stitch marker. Then you begin round 58 and you continue in pattern, and then you go all the way up to where the steek stitches are, and you are going to decrease one stitch before the steek stitches and one steek stitch after the steek stitches for the next 4 rounds, and that will take you up to, so we're currently on round 59, so that will take you up to the end of round 62, and after that we just continue around in pattern until row 65. So I'm going to have my cameraman come over here and show you how to do the decrease stitch. Okay, so I've got 2 stitches left before I'm at my steek stitches, and I need to decrease 1 stitch. And if you think about it, if this is the neckline, we want the stitches to slant to the right on this side, and then we want the stitches to slant to the left on that side when we do our decreases. So to do a right slanting decrease, it's very simple. You just knit 2 together. So I'm just going to do that with my blue yarn. Oh, hold on a sec. I've got to do that with my purple yarn to stay in pattern. So if I can find that. Here we go. So I'm going to knit 2 stitches together, and I've done my first decrease before the steek, and then the next decrease will be after the steek, and I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, so now I'm going to do the decrease on the left side of the steek stitches, and it's going to be an SSK decrease. So basically what you do is you slip 2 stitches knitwise, one at a time. Just going to slip 1, and then slip 2, and then you're going to take your left needle and put it through the stitches this way, and then I can't do this continentally, so I'm going to have to do it just American style, and just slip the 2 stitches together. And there we have the left slanting decrease. And also the beauty of doing SSK is that it keeps me in pattern, because the working yarn that I used gave me the color that I needed to stay in pattern. So I'm going to continue to do this around and around for the next 4 rounds, and then continue this same video until we get to the last row, and then I'll publish this up on YouTube.